started. Hey guys, this is Libby Hill Park in Richmond, Virginia, and it's September 2019, flying the FIMI X8 SE in the evening here at sunset. And the camera is set to 4K, 30 frames a second, and it's set to manual ISO, and it has a star filter on it, white balance set to shadow. And we're going to cross the street just like if we were walking across the street. So we're going to wait till we get a break in the traffic, and then we're going to go. You ready? Set. Let's roll. Alright, so I'm going to accelerate the video here to 2x. And the buildings that you see on the right, along with the light here, wow, very nice looking effect, right? I'm accelerating the video to 2x. I'm going to fly along this canal. And the buildings to the right is Tobacco Row. And once used to be warehouses for tobacco, and now they've been converted into really nice, cool apartment complexes, right? And now we'll slow the video down. Boom, see that light hitting? That's a star filter, right? And so if the lights were strong enough, it will pop that star filter effect. And you can see it starting to pop all the way across the city lights here. One of the things that you're going to see here, I'm going to zoom in on the video 3x. I wanted to see how well this sensor is doing under the low light conditions and how well we can punch into it before it starts breaking up. So here we go. You ready? From 100 to 300% zoom, and it's pretty grainy at 300. At 200 it's acceptable, not bad, and of course at 100 is pretty cool. But getting back to the star filter, right? Really nice looking effect. And that's exit 74A right below you at Interstate 95 coming through Richmond. The place below you on the right is called the bottom because at the bottom of the hill is a happening place, restaurants, bars with a lot of nightlife and a lot of good music from local bands. And now what I wanted to do is show you all the lights around the city, including the sunset reflecting off the river. So I'm going to pan left, and here we go. And as I'm doing so, I'm about 1,800 meters away. I lose signal to the FIMI, and it just does it RTH home. So it just returns home. But here we are. This place is called Church Hill, and there's a church right back there. It's called St. John's. It's where Patrick Henry in 1775 gave this speech where it said, "Give me liberty or give me death," right? It started the revolt against the British. And there you can see the upper left-hand quadrant with the green light on top of it. That's the church. But look at those 6 lights. That was pretty cool. And here is Libby Hill Park with a soldier, Confederate soldier, overlooking the city. And it said that this is the location where the city was surveyed from before it was built. But let's go back to the star filter. Those 2 lights illuminating this soldier are really cool looking. Look at the lights from the traffic too. Wow, amazing, right? With the sunset, the bridges, a lot of stuff's going on. But what I'm going to do next, I wanted to kind of fly the FIMI so the light is blocked by the pillar that's holding up the soldier, and then I'm going to reveal it again and watch how that happens. It turns out to be pretty cool. Again, all the traffic lights, brake lights are all looking pretty cool. Well, here we go. And as I'm starting to do this, this old car that's been restored drives up. It's really super cool. Get ready. Bang. Boom. Beautiful effect. Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys like the star filter effect. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you like the contents of the channel, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.